What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. And today we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So I first wanted to kick it off by saying some of the brand new features that the Samsung Galaxy S9 offers. So the first feature is AR Emojis. So AR Emojis is really just Samsung's take off of Apple's Animojis. And I think it was a good idea. I think that it was a creative way at seeing Animojis and taking that idea. Now, I don't think that AR Emojis is as good of a feature, partially just because the animation isn't that great, but I do think that it was a really good idea, and that with some software updates it could be improved to make the animation a little bit better, and so on. Now, this next thing isn't technically a feature, it's more of an improvement, but they moved the Fingerprint Reader from on the left of the camera to the bottom of the camera. And the reason for that is because a lot of Galaxy S8 users were accidentally putting their finger on the camera lens instead of the Fingerprint Reader, and the Fingerprint Reader was just in a bad position, and I'd say that was something that a lot of people didn't like. So this next thing is stereo speakers. Now, this is something that iPhones got with the iPhone 7 around a year and a half ago. And, I think it's a really good feature for phones to have, because if you accidentally cover the bottom speaker, there's still some noise coming out of the earpiece. And that doesn't mean the speakers still sound good. They sound better, but they still sound pretty bad. You can now use your phone as a trackpad or mouse with the Dex Pad. All you have to do is just plug your phone into the Dex Pad. You can use it to do some shortcuts and stuff like that on the Dex computer. You can do some stuff on the Dex Pad that you wouldn't be able to do on other standard trackpads or mice. So this next thing is probably the main reason why you would even consider buying this year's Galaxy phone, and that would be the camera. So the camera offers a ton of new features. I'm not going to go through them all because we only have so much time to talk. You can now use your camera to translate some foreign languages by just moving your camera up to the words, and it will translate it if you happen to be traveling in a foreign country. Another cool thing is that you can now change the apertures of the lenses, which is really awesome because you can make your photos more focused or not, or brighter, darker, or just all that stuff. And of course, it also takes a lot of really nice photos, as you would expect. It takes some really crisp and clear photos. Now let's talk pricing. The Samsung Galaxy S9 starts at $720, and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus starts at a whopping $840. But something that I noticed is that the S9 starts at $20 cheaper than when the Samsung Galaxy S8 was first released, which is something that is cool because you're getting a better phone with nicer features and all of that for $20 cheaper. Now, the last thing I wanted to talk about is if you should even buy this phone. I would say that if you're coming from an S7 or S6 or just an old phone from any company, then I would say that this is definitely a very worthy upgrade. But I'm going to have to say, if you're coming from a Samsung Galaxy S8, then I'm going to have to recommend to sit tight and wait till the next phone, because there's not a lot of difference between the two phones in day-to-day usage. Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now definitely make sure to stick around because I have a lot of awesome content coming out very soon that you'll definitely not want to miss out on. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.